Working. There we go.
Okay.
So I don't know if y'all specifically have like a group leader or anything.
Not really anyone's set.
Okay.
Go on here real quick.
Let's see.
It is week 5, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I hope, because that's the week I'm on.
I'm pretty sure that's what we're on.
Yeah.
But it just seems like a lot of problems that we've already done before.
Yeah, true.
Because we've already done the completing the square stuff. Maybe that's just for the review for the exam. Because I remember doing the stuff in my math lab for like, what was it, exponents and stuff.
Oh, yeah. I wonder if that's why there wasn't as much homework this week. It was like the documents and stuff.
Yeah, I think somewhere it says, at least on the first due date, it says no my math lab stuff for this first due date, just for the cause of being able to review.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I think that is this
Yeah.
I think for the second due date though, we have my math lab homework, and that's stuff I've already done, which is I think exponents and stuff like that, which is why I was kind of confused seeing completing the square and the vertex and stuff again.
Okay. Is there a quiz or anything on Thursday?
Oh, on Thursday? Yeah.
Okay. I might have to see what to do on that. I might talk to the TA or something, because I actually work till 7. I close at my work, so I work between like 6:30 and 7 o'clock. So I won't be able to be in on you guys' meeting.
Well, I think we could push it back because I think after even 4 o'clock your guys' time, I think I'm off. And after that, I'm pretty much free.
Yeah.
But
We could push back a little bit with that. We don't really have like a set time that we meet every week. We just do whatever works with everybody's schedule.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, my group's met like twice this whole semester, so we have like nothing to go off of.
yeah, we're supposed to meet twice a week, so.
Yeah, which is why I was talking about it earlier. I was having to talk with the teacher because we've just been having a really hard time everybody meeting. So, oh well, it is what it is. Let's see. So, does anyone have any particular questions or something like they want to review or that they're having troubles with? I figure we could start there.
I don't myself, but if anybody else does.
Not at this moment.
I'm still not fully understanding the asymptotes stuff. But like that's number 3 for us, so on the problems that we have to do today, so that'll work for me.
You said like
that. A little bit slow.
Oh.
You hear me?
Barely.
flattening it out?
Just the asymptotes. So number 3 on these problems. I'm still not sure I get those fully. So when we're doing that, I'll just.
Number 3 on the extension problems?
Yeah, so like asymptotes, I'm still not sure I get those.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I could review that if anyone else has some insights, because I tend to get confused with some of those too.
What are you like confused about? You don't know what they are, you don't know how to find them.
Let's see. So I guess the horizontal. Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. Go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah. So I guess just, I mean, sorry, it's a little bit hard to hear you. But you say walk through finding the horizontal asymptotes? Is that what we're looking at?
Just through the problem, probably fine. Am I still cutting out bad?
Yeah.
Well, if we want, why don't we work at, with the extension problems it has for this meeting, why don't we work at number 3 and kind of work our way up so that we can review there, and then if there's anything else we have questions with on the way, we can stop.
Okay.
Sounds good to me.
Number 3. So we need to find the x and y intercepts, the vertical and horizontal asymptotes, and behavior degree and number of turns, and domain and range for these 2 functions, if it's possible.
Okay. Let's see.
So do 2 of us want to start on one of those functions and the other 2 on the other?
Okay, that sounds good.
Yeah, we could do that.
Okay, who wants which one?
Okay. Well, I already started working on the first one if someone else wants to hop in on that.
Yeah, I'll hop in on the first one too, I guess.
Okay. Ben and I will take the bottom one.
1 second.
the exponent.
Okay. So I'm good on the first part of 3. Is anyone else?
One second. I've almost got it. Okay.
Okay. Oh, looks like we lost Ben.
Yeah, he
Oh,
messaged the group saying his internet's not doing very well, so he's gonna have to catch up later.
no.
I understand the feeling.
Yeah, our internet's. We've had such a headache getting it going in our apartment.
Well, I barely moved back from Rexburg. And so my in-laws, they have like a 200 megabyte connection. And it's amazing.
Man.
So I figure for the most part, any internet connection issues aren't on my end.
Oh.
Unless the internet's just having a freak out one day. But
our apartments are so old they can't connect. Like, we can't have internet in our building. That's how old it is. But
that doesn't
it
make any
works.
sense, but okay.
Yeah, our wiring's shot. Like, we probably even need candles, but it's so bad. Anyway.
Okay, how'd you do with problem 2 or problem number 1?
Let's see. That one's pretty good. I feel more confident with like the functions and I guess doing stuff like their transformations, their axis and stuff. But for number 1, did y'all was the x-intercept a funky number?
I was
I
doing.
didn't mess with number 1 yet.
Oh.
Here.
No, number 3, the first function.
Oh, sorry.
Right? Is that what you're talking about?
No, here, I'll jump back to that one. Sorry. I work ahead sometimes. So that one, I just had a quick question real quick. Maybe, I don't know if I'm just not looking at it right. For the degree, would that be a degree 3 or would it be like a 5? Are they multiplied together? I guess I'm confused with how to get degrees. I thought it was just the highest number.
Not really sure.
Yeah,
I haven't found a degree.
Yeah, because I checked with the answer key, and the answer key said it was a degree of 4, but I thought the degree was the highest exponent, which I took to be 3. But
maybe it's the highest exponent plus 1. I think that's what the degree is.
Oh, maybe I'm forgetting the plus 1.
I think that's what that is. It takes the highest exponent and then it adds 1, maybe.
Okay, I mean that makes sense because I know I've been, I don't know why I've been having a hard time remembering that one, but
well, because at least with like, I do a lot of Java coding, and everything starts at 0. So it'll be 0 is your first one, and then 1 will be 2, 2 would be 3, and 3 would be 4, and so on.
Oh, that's interesting.
I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but that's just kind of my thought process on how it might work.
Yeah, because I mean that makes sense because I can't see of any other reason why it would be 4. Like, I mean, 3 minus 2 doesn't get you there. 3, like, nothing else gets you there. I might go search in the book and see again where it said.
Well, the function that I was working on, the second one of part 3, doesn't have degrees or turns.
Okay.
But I don't know how they figured that out.
Well, that one, I'm pretty sure it doesn't because I think since there's in the top half of the numerator has its highest power is x to x squared, and then in the denominator it's x squared. So I think they cancel. But I think that doesn't that play a role in whether it has a degree or not?
I know that that's how, like, part of the way you find the horizontal asymptote. But I'm not sure, like, what the degree is referring to.
Sorry, my son's been having choking fits lately, so.
Yeah, I'm gonna get to see what that feels like soon enough.
Oh, well, that's fun.
We're due in April, so got a little while to go still. But
Oh, that's really exciting. And I can't find my pen.
So I see how the function that I worked on doesn't have degrees, but I still don't understand why yours doesn't, or why yours is 4.
Yeah, I don't understand. Let me try and search the book. I'm gonna pull up the e-text and see if maybe I can find where it talked about it.
Oh.
Of course, my textbook is loading really slow, so.
I've been having problems accessing the textbook on my computer.
Yeah, like sometimes it won't load properly. Yeah, I see where it talks about the asymptotes, but I don't see any.
Degrees and stuff.
Yeah, like I don't see where it specifically says degree or like what defines it. Maybe I'm just looking in the wrong spot.
Yeah, I don't really know.
Yeah, like I don't remember a clear-cut definition, so I might just either email her, the TA, or something, be like, hey, just wondering what defines that, because I don't feel like that ever came up. Yeah, so it talks about the rest of it, but it's not giving me a definition for degree. It's just talking about the degrees of the polynomials, but it's still using the same, like if it's a polynomial to the fourth, it's still saying it has a degree of 4. So it's not saying it has a degree of 5, but yeah, it's not giving me a clear-cut definition on what it actually is. So I don't know.
I guess we'll just have to study that out personally.
Yeah, if anyone finds anything.
Any other questions about any of the other problems?
I think the next ones are pretty self-explanatory, I think. Pretty easy, so.
Yeah, I think solving the equations for me tends to be a little bit easier. Sometimes I get flip-flop with fractions, and that can mess up my whole problem. Though I did find out, I don't know if this helps anyone, or if you're ever having a problem with a fraction and it's not doing something that you want it to do, you probably need to factor something out. That's what I've come to learn. So maybe that'll help someone.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I mean, I have a question on like the first one. Whenever it says like the vertex form, the transformation form, like by completing the square, I guess I'm not understanding what it's asking the transformation form.
That's the A times x minus h squared plus k. So you're just taking the function in the form that it gives you and turning it into the A x minus h squared plus k form.
Okay. Okay.
Does that make sense?
That makes. Yeah, that makes sense. I guess I need to pay attention to what the form's actually called versus just the way it looks. Okay. Thank you. I didn't know what that was called.
I don't think I have any questions right now.
Yeah, I think I'm pretty good on these. I was trying to figure out the x-intercept for number 1, but I see it as the square root of 11 over 3. I doubt myself when it looks weird.
Yeah.
But okay. So, I mean, if there's nothing else in particular you guys want to review, or maybe, yeah, we'll bring up some other stuff on Thursday.
Yeah, I'm good for now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alrighty then.
Sounds good. So, I mean, I'll send y'all a text. I mean, if y'all wouldn't mind pushing it to like 7, I mean, that'd be great. But if not, I don't want to inconvenience y'all.
I can do whatever time in the evening.
Okay.
Yeah. Anything's good for me. So.
Awesome.
If
Sounds
not,
good.
I'll be sure to text you guys. But
okay.
So should we shoot for 7? You said, or do you want it a little bit later?
Maybe like 7:15, just to be sure, because best case scenario, I get out before 7 or at 7, so it's gonna take me a little bit to get home. But how about 7:15?
Sounds good.
Yep, sounds good to me too.
Okay. Awesome. Well, thanks so much. I'll get this submitted, okay?
Awesome. Sounds great. See you on Thursday.